Okay, today we're going to go through the starting up of a PD2K system. Before I start though, I do want to just cover a few things. We are not in a paint booth today recording, so we're just running water today. The other things I want to point out is the physical setup of this system. We have a manual PD2K system with two guns, and what that means is we've connected two colors, all right? So I've got a series of feed pumps in the back here. We have a solvent pump, again flushing with water. We have two pumps representing the base materials, the two different colors, and then we have the last pump that would represent a catalyst. For this setup, the two colors over here are going to share one catalyst. So what we want to do today is we want to go through and just go through the motions of what it takes to prime the system and get it started up, and review some of the troubles you may see as you're doing that. So with that, let's go ahead and get started. When you're setting up the new system, the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure that you flush the system from the feed pumps all the way out to the guns. When these systems are brand new, they're going to have some residual oil in it from the testing that's done at the factory before it was shipped. The flushing procedure that is outlined in the manual is really the same procedure that we're going to use now to fill the system with water. Again, we're just using water today, but everything should be grounded, again, as outlined in the manual, both the unit, your feed supply, and even the bucket that we're going to use to collect the waste as we're flushing and loading. A couple of things I want to point out in the user interface here, or the ADM, is a couple of settings. Now you're going to go through and you're going to program and set up your hardware specific to the unit you have, as well as programming the recipes. But one of the things that you want to make sure that you set, a couple of them anyways, is I'm going to go into the program, and on the system, on the first page here, about halfway down, you're going to see a non-mix pressure. What that is that's the pressure the pumps are going to run at when you're not in a mix. So again, it's set at 40 psi right now, so when we're priming or loading the system, that's the pressure that the system's going to drive to. I'm going to go down to page 2, and then very at the bottom of the page, there's a mix fill set point. You can set that one as well. Now, especially in low flow applications where it may take a couple of seconds to fill, 10 seconds to fill that mix line, you can set this mix fill set point to a little bit higher pressure so that you can fill the gun a little bit faster when you're not in production.